Good morning, fourth standard. As I explained in video number 7, some question answers and fill in the blanks, match the column, true and false, all these things I mentioned in chapter number 7. Is it so? Which fill in the blanks I explained that I repeat. So you have to learn that. So fill in the blanks. I repeat that male elephants stay in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. कितने साल के होते हैं तब तक होता है? 14 से 15 साल के मेल एलिफेंट्स होते हैं तब तक वो हर्ड में रहते हैं. देन जब नंदू होश में नहीं था और जब उसने फर्स्ट टाइम ही ब्लिंक्स हिज आईज, व्हाट डिड ही सो ओवर देयर? ही सो देयर ग्रेट फॉरेस्ट. दैट इमेज इन नंदू वाज, it is actually the legs of his family members, right? बोला था? Yes. And now living only in a basket, the snakes has forgotten what is like in the. जो सांप सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप एक टोकरे में रखते हो तो वो ये भूल जाता है कि ओपन जंगल क्या होता है, right? And humans are used 3 animals for entertainment themselves are bears, bhalu, then monkeys and last snakes. जो सांप होते हैं उनका भी आपने अगर देखा हो, if you could see snake charmers that use snakes to entertainment the animals, human beings, right? When baby elephants play, they pull each other's tails in the river, right? जब नंदू ने देखा कि उसके छोटे कजिन्स जो है they pulled each other's tail and sprayed water through their trunk. Now and some true and false I explain as people specially call pigeon to feed them with grains. जो लोग होते हैं वो पिजन मतलब कि कबूतर को ग्रेन मतलब कि अनाज खिलाने के लिए बुलाते हैं, तो वो क्या था? ट्रू था. यस, ट्रू इट इज़. देन चिल्ड्रन डू नॉट लाइक कैट्स. बच्चों को कैट्स अच्छी नहीं लगती. इज इट ट्रू? नहीं. ऑल द चिल्ड्रंस लाइक ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स, है ना? राइट. देन व्हेन हॉर्स शूज, जब हॉर्स के जो फीट में हॉर्स शू लगाते हैं तब उसको अच्छा लगता है, वो ट्रू था? No, it is wrong. So when shoe horse are fixed to a horse hooves मतलब कि उसके पाँव का जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है that is called hooves, जो हार्ड होता है, उसके साथ वो नाल हमने कुछ like this way I explain to you or something like this way. See, like this way, right? So this is false, है ना? हाँ. The old male is the leader of herd of elephant. जो old lady थे old male वो elephant herds के leader थे. That is wrong. Oldest female is the leader of elephant herd in this chapter. Elephant laying in the mud to cool their bodies. जब animals like elephant, उनको अगर गर्मी लगती हो तो वो मडी प्लेस पे जाके अपनी बॉडी को ले डाउन कर देते हैं so that they can get coolness and they keep their body cool and protect coolness from hottest place. Then I explain some MCQs like elephant sleep for 2 to 4 hours in a day, right? The second one था a normal 3 months old baby elephant may weight about 200 kgs almost, right? So I told you that in video number 7. Then who complains that they have to dance on an empty stomach? किसने ऐसी कंप्लेन की थी कि उनको खाली पेट ही डांस करना पड़ता है? तो monkeys. किसने एक्सप्लेन किया था? monkey, right? Then elephants move around in groups called, क्या था ऑप्शन? colonies थी, herds थे, then swarms था and none of this. So what is the answer? The answer is herd. because we can speak that the group of an elephant is called an herds, right? Then adult elephant कितने kg twigs and leaves खाता है per day? तो 100 kg, almost 100 kg, right? So here is the answer: meat and eggs, sugar and grain, forest fruits, and twigs and leaves. So adult elephants eat twigs and leaves, right? So this way I explained in you in video number 7 today. I am explaining in video number, today's video is number 8. So I explain the video number 8 and topic is answer in one word, and hope you can understand these questions and match the columns which I wrote on the board. With this video I send you a PDF that you have to write in your EVS notebook with good handwriting without making any spelling mistakes, so that you can learn or you can read that nicely, right? So our first question is, why does a herd of elephants spread out in a forest? What is the meaning of spread out? अलग हो जाना. spread out मतलब यहाँ वहाँ बिखर जाना. meaning of spread is बिखर जाना. तो यहाँ पे पूछा है कि भाई एलिफेंट का जो हर्ड था वो जंगल में जाके क्यों बिखर गया? तो आंसर इज टू सर्च फूड और टू ईट their favorite twigs and leaves, right? So to search food या तो to eat their favorite twigs and leaves, उनकी जो फेवरेट twigs and leaves थी उसको खाने के लिए, या तो फिर ऐसा बोलें कि भाई फॉर सर्चिंग फूड, खाने की खोज में जो एलिफेंट हर्ड था वो जंगल में जाके बिखर गया. इट स्प्रेड इन द जंगल. व्हाट साउंड डज एन एलिफेंट मेक? एलिफेंट किस तरीके का साउंड निकालता है? सो द आंसर इज ट्रम्पिंग साउंड. If you can see the elephant make a sound through his trunk and tongue, when he open his mouth, he trumping like that way. Is it? So the sound of trumping. Which kind of sound? The elephant make trumping sound, right? Okay. Now third one is Nandu a male or female elephant? नंदू कौन सा एलिफेंट है? कैन यू टेल मी? It is he male or female? So Nandu is a male elephant of 3 months old baby. नंदू क्या है? कौन सा है? मेल एलिफेंट है. कौन सा एलिफेंट? विच वन? मेल एलिफेंट. नंदू is a male elephant, right? Now we learn some match the columns and the group of name of that animals group. नंदू क्या है? नंदू इज अ क्या करता है? नंदू so drinks his mother's milk. So the answer is, first one's answer is option C. First one's answer is option C. Then Amma. Amma is a nanny of Nandu. So what is the answer? Follows Nanima. अम्मा मतलब नंदू की मदर जो नानी माँ को फॉलो करती हैं. देन नानी माँ क्या करती है? What do नानी माँ do? So leads the herd because she is the oldest animal in the herd. Oldest elephant, female elephant who leads the herd in this chapter. Then fifth one, ducks. What should we call the group of duck? We should call the group of duck is flock. What should we speak? Flock. We speak the group of ducks is flock. Then bees. What should we speak the group of bees? So swarm. What should we speak? Swarm. The group of bees is called swarm. in this chapter we learned that, I explained that before. So we should speak it a herd. So option 7, elephant is herd, option E. 8.1, what should we speak the group of pigeons? What should we speak? We should speak in a flight. What should we speak? We should speak, the group of pigeon is called flights. Right? Now fishes. What should we speak? The group of fishes? Can you tell me? So we should speak at the S-H-O-L, shoal. What should we speak the group of fish? S-H-O-L, shoal. Now wolves. What should we speak the group of wolves? Can you tell me? We should speak pack, the group of wolves. What should we speak? Wolves. What should we speak of? Wolves. That is pack. Right? Now, last, camels. What should we speak of the group of camel? That is caravan. It's a one kind of transport also. It's a one kind of type of house also which moves on the wheels. But here we write, I write the group of these animals group. Right? So we can speak the camels group as a caravan. Okay? First, once again I repeat. Nandu, what is Nandu doing? So he drinks his mother's milk. Then Amma, what is the Amma doing? Amma follows the Nanima, right? Option A. Nanima, what should Nanima do? Nanima squid water on. Nanima squid water on Nandu. D, no, leads the herd. Sorry. Option D is the answer. Nanima leads the herd. Nandu's cousin. What should Nandu's cousin do? Squirt water on Nandu. Nandu के ऊपर पानी छिड़क रहे हैं किससे? अपने ट्रंक से. Then 5th one, ducks. What should we speak the group of ducks? Can you tell me? It's a flock. What should we speak? Flock. Then what is the group of bees? Is called, it's a swarm. What should we speak the group of bees? It's a swarm, right? Then elephant. As I explained in this chapter, we can speak the group of elephant is herd. Option E is the answer for 7.1. Now pigeons. What should we speak the group of pigeon? It's a flight, right? Then fishes. The group of fishes is called shoal, right? Then 10th one, wolves. What should we speak? The wolves, it's a pack. The group of wolves is called pack. And camels, it's a caravan, right? So you have to learn and write this with good handwriting, and you should do not mistake. Please do not mistake and write it properly so that you can read it in the textbook or notebook. If you have a notebook, please write it for your next session as a exercise so you can get proper result, right? Thank you and have a nice